Ryan here for Silly Reviews. I'm going to show you how to kill a wasp. Went to go take a leak in the business bathroom here. Had a wasp just hanging out waiting to sting me, and if you don't know, I'm almost 41 years old. I've never been stung by a wasp or a bee, and I'm not about to start now. Go outside, grab your wasp and hornet killer, your wasp spray. We've got the real kill. Now, get ready to face off. Don't get too close. Don't make abrupt, sudden movements. But once you have it lined up in your sights, that's right, you give it a spray. You knock that daddy down, but he's not through. He's on the ground. He's wiggling. He's trying to make a comeback. Flood him out. There's some rat poo on the side there, too. Gross. That's how you kill a wasp. Thanks for watching. Ryan here.
Silly Reviews. Silly Reviews.